Hey, Mr. Sue, it's Carina, obviously, and this is my math video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope your teaching skills reflect off of how good this video is, if that even makes sense. Okay, here we go.
And this is our first problem.
So basically, summation notation is just a shorthand, simple formula used to find the value in the variable. So your variable is here, and you're going to do 2 minus 3 squared all the way up until 2 minus 10 squared. And after you get all of what your square equals, you're going to do 2 minus 9 and 2 minus 16 all the way up to 2 minus 100, because 10 squared equals, 100. And then you're going to add all of these together, and you get negative 364. Okay, and then this is my second problem. Let's go. So here we have arithmetic sum, or other known as arithmetic series. And basically what it is it's just a series of numbers that you use to find a certain amount of something. So here we have to use a sum formula for finding the sum of the positive even integers less than 200. So there's 99 integers between 2 and 198, and you use 198 because it's less than 200. So here we have n equals the amount of numbers, a sub 1 is the first number, and a sub n is the last number. So you plug in 99, and then you do 198 plus 2. You have 200 divided by 2, which is 100. Then you just do 99 times 100, which equals 9,900, and that is the sum of the positive even integers less than 200. And this is our third problem. Smile. So here we have geometric sequence, and what we're going to do is find the 12th term for this sequence of 3, 12, and 48. So basically what geometric sequence is, and what makes it different from arithmetic sequence, is that geometric is when you are multiplying numbers. So here you have 3 times 4, which equals 12, and then 12 times 4, which equals 48. So you have a sub n equals a sub 1 r n minus 1. Then you're going to plug in the numbers, and you have an equals 3 times 4 to the power of 12 minus 1. And then after you do that, you're going to find what 3 times this number is, and you'll end up with this, and that is what your 12th term is for the sequence.
This is problem number 4.
So here we have arithmetic sequence, and what arithmetic sequence is when you are adding or subtracting numbers to find what your 100th term, for this case, what your 100th term would be for the sequence. So you have 9, 4, negative 1, negative 6, and negative 11, and you end up with negative numbers because 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 5 is negative 1, and so on. So you have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. D represents the common difference, which is negative 5. So you're going to plug in your numbers. You're going to get, when you multiply 99 and negative 5, you're going to get negative 495 plus 9, which is negative 486, and that is what your 100th term would be for this sequence. It is taking me ages, and now we are finally on to our 5th problem. Okay, so for this problem, it says, at a Vons store, you stack peaches into a square pyramid. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna write a summation notation to find the total number of stacked peaches in your square pyramid. So for that, you're going to do 15, and then I equals 1, and then I squared. So you're going to do 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, and so on. And then after you do that, after you square all those numbers, you're going to get what those equal, and then you're going to add all of those together, and you get 1,240 peaches. So you have 1,240 peaches in your square pyramid. And then for the sum of squares, what that is it's basically just showing, like how you would find a single layer of the peaches, and it shows that each layer has like 15, and that's basically what you do. And you understand that is the correct way to do it because you get 1,240, which is the same amount as this one. So what I learned for our financial life lesson is that the more money that you contribute into your account over time, the more money you're going to make. And the way that compound interest and time work together in your benefit is that the more time that you allow over time, the more money you're going to make, rather than if you were to just let your money sit in your account and just receive and just get interest. And yeah. I also learned that you cannot touch your money until you are retired, and that there are 3 or more different type of accounts, bank accounts that you can have, and that also you can continue to create more and more bank accounts throughout your lifetime with different banks. And yeah, that's what I learned. I hope you enjoyed my video, Mr. Suhu, and yeah.